Hai adik-adik, kembali lagi dengan Kak Rina di online class 101. Kali ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 9 dari buku Kurikulum Merdeka. Chapter 3, Journey to Fantasy World. Unit 2, Back to the 90s, di section 5, Reading, di halaman 177 sampai dengan 178. Yuk di-subscribe dulu, klik loncengnya, like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id. Gimana kabar kalian hari ini adik-adik? Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat ya. Read the story of Time Travel Car Part 3 to answer the question that follows. Okay. Paragraf pertama. Because Monita was causing a ruckus, she was put in the security office. The security officer asked Monita to sit on a chair. He then asked a few questions to Monita. The security officer asked Monita where she lived. I live in Banjarmasin. My house is not far from SMP Merdeka, answered Monita. There is no SMP Merdeka here, replied the officer. That's because SMP Merdeka was established in 2014. That's impossible. This is 1992, said the officer. But the security officer smiled. Maybe he thought Monita was crazy. After that, he asked Monita whether she wanted some water or not. Monita shook her head. She said that she just wanted to meet the professor. The security officer then asked Monita where her parents lived. Monita said that she didn't know where her parents lived in 1992. The security officer then asked Monita why she wanted to meet the professor. I want to know how to get back to 2022. The security officer smiled again. He then asked Monita how she could get to 1992. Just before Monita started to tell the security officer about the time travel car, she saw Professor Mahmud outside the security office. Professor Mahmud! Shouted Monita. She ran outside the security office and stood in front of Professor Mahmud. Are you Professor Mahmud? Asked Monita. Oke, sekarang kita jawab pertanyaannya ya. Nah, di sini yang pertama, why did the security officer put Monita inside the security office? Nah, yang ini tuh tadi karena dia mungkin kita jawab di sini biar ada artinya ya. Because Monita was causing a ruckus. Ya. Nih artinya di sini. Number 2. When was SMP Merdeka established? Nah, di sini tadi dia sebut SMP Merdeka was established in 2014 ya. Oke. Sekarang number 3. What did the officer offer to Monita? Nah, yang ini some water. Ya, dia menanyakan dia mau air atau tidak. And then number 4. Did Monita know where her parents lived in 1992? Nah, di sini jawabannya itu dia tidak tahu ya. Jadi no, she did not. Okay, and then sekarang number 5. What would you feel if you traveled the past and did not know how to get back to the future? Nah, ini jawabannya juga bisa beragam. Bisa I would feel sad misalnya. Ya, atau mungkin kalian angry juga boleh ya, misalnya karena kalian marah kok bisa-bisanya aku ada di sini, boleh juga ya, itu bebas. Oke. Nah, kemudian berikutnya, change the indirect speech into to direct speech. Ya, from the story, number 1 has been done for you. Nah, kita jawab yang nomor 2. After that, he asked Monita whether she wanted some water or not. Yang ini berarti jadinya the security officer asked, "Do you want some water?" Number 3, the security officer then asked Monita where her parents lived. Yang ini Karina mulai dari sini ya biar muat. The security officer asked, "Where do your parents live?" Where do your parents live? And then kutip tutupnya. Number 4, the security officer asked why she wanted to meet the professor. The security officer asked, "Why do you want to meet the professor?" Number 5, he then asked Monita how she could get to 1992. Nah, ini masih the security ask juga. The security officer asked, "How can you get to 1992?" Oke, pembelajaran kita sudah selesai ya adik-adik. Yuk di-subscribe dulu, klik loncengnya, like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id. Terima kasih sudah menonton sampai akhir. Mohon dimaafkan apabila ada kesalahan dalam perkataan maupun dalam materi yang diberikan. Sampai jumpa di pembelajaran berikutnya.